This is the repair station's menu page. Here you can see a list of repair stations available on the application. You can sort these repair stations by all repair stations or repair stations that are close to your specific location. You can also sort these repair stations by your favorite repair station. So if you have a favorite repair station, by clicking on the heart icon on a repair station, you can sort by your favorite repair stations. You also have the option to see the star rating for each repair stations, and by clicking on the view button you get to see more about a repair station. You get to see the services they offer, their open time and their close time for each day. You can book a repair for that specific station by clicking on the book a repair button, and it takes you to the book a repair process. You can view the full list of services this repair station offer and at various prices. By clicking on the list, you are asked to select the vehicle type you want to see the prices for. Today we are going to see the prices for a truck. Click on view prices. These are the prices for having these services done on a truck. You can switch it by clicking on this drop down button. You can switch it to a car, and this is showing the prices for a car. You can switch it again to an SUV, and this is showing the prices for an SUV.